What's up YouTube, it's Shabazz. Today we're going to check out the new Fog Pod from Neverwinter Botanicals, as well as their brand new product, the Fog Tank. So we have tried out the Fog Pods from Neverwinter Botanicals now for several years, ever since they released the very first one. Every few months they go through a packaging refresh or a slight hardware upgrade. And they started off with micro USB, and they got up to USB-C, then they got to draw activated, and then of course new flavors and increased potency along the way as well. Here is the newest Fog Pod in the newest packaging, and then of course this is just the new evolution of everything, the new Fog Tank, which has new hardware and just everything completely different. Real quick before we try this out though, I gotta give a huge shout out to my patrons over on Patreon. They're keeping the channel going and growing. My channel's not monetized, so I heavily rely on their support. So shout out to my patrons. If you want to check out my Patreon, go down to my landing page in the video description. Down there you will also find information on my merch, as well as all my coupon codes and links. All right, here is the new Fog Pod packaging right here. It is child proof, which also means it's gonna be Shabazz proof. All right, some more information, you can pause the screen. It's hard to zoom in, but this is the gassed up flavor and is labeled as a type 2. And looking at the COAs on the website, this is 45% CBD and 5.8% THC. So basically 45 and 6%. Simplified, that's basically around an 8-to-1 ratio. So I would say this is more like a 2.5. This isn't a solid type 2. It's spicier than a regular type 3. So I'll put this in a type 2.5 category just based on the COAs. It also says on the website that this has Chem Dog in it. All right, so let's check it out. All right, let's see. We got press tray inward, then slide. All right, and there is your actual hardware right there. That is the gassed Fog Pod. All right, and this is not distillate, this is hash oil. There's an up close on the unit. We do have button press activation and USB Type-C charging. Now usually these are 5 clicks to turn on. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, all right, let me take out the little plug. Now I think they removed the draw activation because it was going off in people's pockets. So yeah, just hold down the button. Okay. It's citrusy. It's citrusy with some stank. That's really how I describe it. It's got kind of the citrusy, kind of like a pine saw flavor to it. And then behind that, it has some stank, which is, I would say, is kind of a really light skunk / gassiness. And just from those two little hits, I got an instant head change, all right? So really fast onset of effects. And so this is a type 2.5, but even if this was a solid type 2, I would still hit it. Even though concentrates are concentrated and they do have more cannabinoids, you know, per volume or whatever, most people don't inhale concentrates like they do smoke, so you get a lighter hit and you get lighter effects. So I'm perfectly fine using type 2 vapes, just not type 2 flower in most cases. Yeah, this tastes like citrusy weed. Like if you had, I don't know, maybe like some lemon kush or something back in the day. It's not as super, like it doesn't have like an OG kush type of a skunk or funk or a modern type of a diesel. It's an old school citrus and pine with a little bit of stank. All right, so that is the new Fog Pod, and they actually have 3 different flavors, which I believe are here to stay. They usually rotate once they run out of stock, but I guess they're gonna keep remaking these flavors. I do wanna try the other flavors now, especially the skunked. All right, so there is a new Fog Pod. All right, this is one, they have fruited, they have skunked, and they have gas. This is the gas. I really like it. All right, the packaging pisses me off, but it is good to have, you know, child proof. If I can't get into it, a kid definitely can. Hopefully not. So that's getting the Shabazz seal of approval. Neverwinter has always had these good hash oil Fog Pods. Good to see them keep making them, and I'm glad to see that these are sticking around. All right, and now for their new Fog Tanks, which just come inside this black Mylar with a sticker on it. Got it open already. And then here is your Fog Tank. Now these Fog Tanks are all new hardware, all right? Now these are still 2 grams of hash oil like the Fog Pods, but these have a digital display as well as a ceramic heating element inside, so a little bit higher quality, probably more expensive on the hardware. Here the little screen is right here. Let's see, I'm sure it's probably 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. All right, so there's your little screen, the LCD display. So that's dope. It's like the Fog Pod, but better, all right? And this is the Forbidden Funk, and this is 53% CBD, 5% THC. So this is a 10-to-1 ratio. So not a type 2, not a type 3. This is, again, going to be a type 2.5. All right, let's peel this little, ooh, that little satisfying peel. Let's take a little stopper out. Let's see, first of all, is it draw activated? No, it's not. So we got to hold down a little button. Just testing first to see what type of vapor production we get. Okay, this one has a little bit of gas, a little bit of funkiness on the flavor. Absolutely, it's a fruity gassiness, all right? I would say this one is a fruity chemi with some gas, all right? And actually, according to Neverwinter's website, this is a mixture of hash oil from Ultra Haze, Ultra Pink, Rainbow Sherbet, and Skunk Jam. And yeah, you can absolutely taste it. It's got this fruity, chemi, maybe slightly piney flavor with some gas behind it. And again, really fast head change, onset of effects, but it's nothing too crazy. All right, it's I feel a little bit electric, got a buzz around my body, a little bit of a wiry vibe going. Nothing crazy though, not a full high, no anxiety, no panic. If you are THC sensitive, all right, this as well as the Fog Pod are going to be safe for you as long as you're not chiefing it like a joint or a blunt. Don't sit here and take big old hits, hold it in and puff it out, then you might have a bad time. All right, so the new Fog Tank, this Forbidden Funk, but just everything, the flavor, the hardware, everything, I'm gonna give that the Shabazz seal of approval. Everybody's always asking me about CBD, type 3 and type 2 vapes and everything. They want to get away from distillate. They want the live resin, the live rosin, the hash oil, stuff like that. Here you go, all right? Neverwinter is and has been a good choice for that for quite a while. Remember, if you're interested in checking any of this out, check out my coupon codes and links down in my video description. While you're down there, check out my merch and check out my Patreon if you want to support the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on post notifications, make sure you follow me on Instagram for more content. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.